In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save the card as a JPEG file so that you can send it and assign it to your students. So once you get their picture on it, you go up to File, Save As, Browse. And then you want to browse to the place on your computer where you wish to save the files. I suggest making a new folder and putting them all inside a folder. It's just easier to find. And you can do that. You can just click new folder and name it. Just gonna call it Valentine Student Cards. You can name it whatever you'd like and then click off of it and then double click it because we want to save these JPEG files inside that folder. The next thing to do is you need to change both the file name and the file type, the save as type. We do not want to save it as a PowerPoint presentation, so it's very important that this get changed to JPEG file. So you click the pull down and you go down to JPEG file. So then it will be saved as in a picture format. That's what a JPEG file is. And then you want to change the file name. And I strongly suggest using the students' names because that makes it super simple to send and assign to them that way. So after the file name and type has been changed, you want to click Save. And then PowerPoint is going to, this pop-up is going to come up and PowerPoint is going to say, which slide do you want to export? And it's very important that you change it to just this one. Because if you keep it on all slides, they are going to save every single slide in the PowerPoint presentation, which that is not what we want. We just want to save just this particular slide with the student photo on it. So you click just this one. And then it will save just this card as a picture file in your folder so then you can easily send and assign it to your students.